Welcome to J&J's test video of SXCE449. It's a 99 C5 and it has a little color, I don't know, red seats, red armrest and shale, but that's okay. We love all Corvettes here. Show you what we got on the odometer. I don't know if it's real. I'm going to run a Carfax again. Let's see. Earlier today it gave me a mileage. Come on. Let's see if I start it. It says 51,973. I don't think that's right. But we'll see. Anyway, we have oil pressure, active handling button, give it a little gas, let's hear it. Get out and take it for a drive. This thing's seen some better days. Roof's a little peeling and got some carbon on it. Headlights do work. Bumper's been repaired. Replica C6 wheels. Mirrors are broken. Has a good rear bumper. Stock exhaust, I think, but they don't look stock. And neither of the seats move, but they've been recovered, so there's that. Alright, pull this thing out of here. Take it for a drive and on to the next one. There's a little Skitsy hanging out on her heated mat. They have a heated cat condo, the whole thing out there. Ooh, cold out today. We like Harbor Freight jump boxes around here, if you haven't noticed. Alright, head unit works, climate control, really dim. It's not really worth much anymore. Alright, let's see what we got. There's first, there's second. Third, fourth, alright, make sure reverse works. Reverse works. Alright, that's that. Still holding oil pressure, getting a little heat in it. Oh, parking brake kind of works. A little chirpy belt. There you go. As always, thank you for watching. Come on down, hood. I'll show you the headlights work. There you go. As always, thank you for watching, and you can see that interior better out in the daylight. And it's red and I don't know, who knows. Have your pet spayed, neutered, and thank you as always.